Hello everyone and welcome to JJ Squad. As you can see, I'm about to get ready to clean the bird cages out. But while I am doing that, I'm actually going to give Skittles a shower. Yeah, she's looking forward to her shower. Come on out there, Skittles. I'm gonna have Calypso out in the sun just for a good 10-15 minutes under the shade. Look at her. I guarantee she's gonna go straight to the bottom. Look at her. Look at her. He love it. Say hello. Wanna step up? Step up. Up up. Up up. Wanna step up? Or you wanna eat a little bit more? Look at her. Just looking at me like, man, you play with my time. This is my time right here. Come on. Look how pretty she is, and she loves to go underneath. Come on, step up. Step up. Step up. You don't want to step up for daddy? Huh? Come on, step up. Oh, there she go. Come a little closer. We're gonna do this. There we go. I had to flip it around, y'all. Let me let y'all see her better. Oh, this way. Come on over here. There we go. Look at him. Look at him. You don't want to look at the camera. Y'all stay right there. I'm gonna get ready to put her in her little shower area. Play around a little bit. Got her stand right here. I already got the water going. Step up. And it's at a good temperature. Alright. And I'll do another video of her completely wet and everything. I try to make it to where she get a nice good soak one. She'll start playing in a little bit. And I'll keep y'all posted on